Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, August the 30th, 2010. Well, another day where the market's flirting with the area defined by the window and the resistance defined by that area, and the support area extending all the way down to roughly 1041. We have a fairly large red-bodied candle, and that denotes that the sellers made net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, and they've taken control of this market away from the bulls. The bulls closed with control at the end of last week, and the bears have taken control. They're keen, and they've shown that they were committed on the day. With regard to bigger picture terms, they're not as committed as you'd like them to be, because they actually couldn't take out the previous low, which coincided with that area of support at around 1041. And the bulls certainly weren't committed because they failed to take the market up past the high of the previous trading day. So in bar chart terms, we have an inside day which raises doubt about the current trend in the market, which is actually up. If we look at the previous day, we had an outside day. The day before that, we had an uptrend. So we actually have an uptrend still in place at the moment, but it's certainly looking very indecisive. Now, we are trading down below the cloud or the Kumo, so the market has an overall negative bias. So in big picture terms, it's likely that the market will test the 1040 area. We are negative in terms of our position relative to the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which means that the market's bearish in the fast-term and medium-term time frames. Now, interestingly, the Kijun-sen has turned flat. It's not quite exactly flat, but almost flat. And when that happens, price action tends to be attracted back towards this. So there is a possibility that the market could rally and test that area. There is decent resistance overhead, as we've noted, with this window that's held now for about 5 trading days. So it's very important for this market, for any potential upside, that if the market does take that out. We also have resistance offered at 1069 at the Kijun-sen, then all the way through the cloud to the top of the cloud from roughly 1074 up to about 1092, and certainly within the cloud at the Kijun-sen at 1084. Obviously, to the downside, we can see this buying coming in as the market traded down around this 1040 area, and that's a very big level. So we have a market that's congesting, and we do need to wait for a breakout in either direction.